Lucas, Executive Pastry Chef from Mandarin Oriental, and today I will make you a simple recipe of classic French crepes. You will need first is some flour, castor sugar, 1 pinch of salt, with some lemon zest. It gives a nice flavors. That's really important. In the middle, you will come and break 4 eggs. So then you start mixing slowly. You start adding some milk. And you start mixing. Always from the middle. Once it gets thicker, you add a little bit more milk. Right? Then we're gonna add 3 grams of vegetable oil. And vanilla bean. So a little bit of orange blossom. This batter, we're gonna let it rest in the fridge about 1 hour at least before baking. Baking the crepes, we have a hot pan. Then we're gonna add a little bit of butter to it. Then we add our crepe batter on one edge and we turn around in the pan. And we'll flip your crepe. Up. You can see, nice coloration. And then same, few seconds on the other side and you finish to bake it. But I recommend you to try just simply like that, it's really good.